The final piece of our gradebook worksheet is we want to do an overview sheet. I don't want to have to sit here and click on the little tabs to see what I'm doing in each class. I want them all on one page. So we're going to make an overview page. First is I'm going to add a sheet, so I'm going to click the plus at the bottom left, and it added another sheet. If I double click on the name, I can change the name of it. So I'm going to say overview and spell it correctly. You can also drag these tabs to put them in any sort of order. So I'm going to drag it to the front. So I want to put in the class name. So this is going to be IT 770. This is going to be English. And we'll give it a header here. Class name. Make it just a little fancier looking. Okay, and then this I want for my grade. Now, how do I put in this grade, which is right here? I've already figured out my current grade in there. I want to put that on the first spreadsheet. Well, we're going to use a formula. So, formulas start with equals. And to access that one on the second sheet, while this is open, see it's got a little shadow here and the cursor's flashing in there. I can select the second sheet, and then I can select the cell I want. And you'll notice it put in the sheet name, exclamation point, and the cell. I could have typed that in or done what I just did, and we'll do it again here. So I want this one to be, it starts with equals because all formulas start with equals. Select the sheet I want, and then the cell I want. And then I'm going to hit return. And if you look up at the formula, it's going to pull it in from D8. So I can do the same thing with my English. All formulas start with an equals. Switch to the English tab, and then click on the cell I want. And now this overview page is always going to have the answers for the rest of them. So if I put another assignment in here, see it changed to 79.41, it's changed on the front. It'll even keep it if I add a row. You notice it was D8 before, so let's add a couple rows here. If I go back to overview, it automatically changed that to D10 because it's smart enough to know that I want the content that's in this cell even if it gets moved down by inserting rows. So that's how you're going to create your overview page for your spreadsheet.